Hello, how to solve n times n equals 8 divided by 27. We are solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. So we have n times n, power n power 2 times n power 3 equals 8 divided by 27. I can express 8 as to the power 3 and also 27 and express it as 3 to the power of 3. So we have n power 3 equals 2 power 3, that is 8, divided by 3 power 3, that is 27. From here, you have a power c divided by b power c equals a divided by b to the power of c. So from here, we can simply have n power 3 equals 2 divided by 3 to the power of 3. So we move this here. This becomes n power 3 minus 2 divided by 3 to the power of 3 equals 0. So right now, we have power 3 here, power 3 here. This is minus. We can expand. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And from here is n and b is 2 divided by 3. So we are going to have n minus 2 divided by 3 times n squared plus n times 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 power 2, and this equals 0. So from here, you have n minus 2 divided by 3, n squared plus is 2n divided by 3 plus 2 power 2, 4 divided by 9, and this equals 0. We can equate each of these to 0. Also, we have n squared now to solve this, we move this over here. Our n equals 2 divided by 3. That is our m1. Now to solve this quadratic equation, we need to find the common LCM. And the LCM is 9. 9 divides 1, 9 times n squared. 9 n squared plus 9 divided 3. 3 times 2n. 9 divides 9, 1 times 4. This is our 1. So we cross multiply. We have 9n squared plus 6n plus 4 equals 9 times 0. That is 0. So to solve this, we make use of the quadratic formula. N equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. 9, which is division of n squared, is our a, this is our b, this is our c. So we have n equals negative 6 plus or minus square root of 6 power 2 minus 4 times 9 times 4 divided by 2 times 9. So from here, we are going to have n equals negative 6 plus or minus square root of this is 36 minus 144 divided by 18. From here you have n negative 6 plus or minus square root of this is negative 108. So we have this divided by 18. From here we have n equals negative 6 plus or minus. You have square root of negative 1 times square root of 108 divided by 18. So from here, we have n equals negative 6 plus or minus this I times square root of 108. It is 36 times 3 divided by 18. So from here, we have n equals negative 6 plus or minus I times square root of 36. We have 6 root 3 divided by 18. So from here, we have n equals this once this 3. Negative 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 3. So we have two complex values for n. We have n2 equals negative 1 plus I root 3 divided by 3. We have n3 equals negative 1 minus I root 3 divided by 3. So in total, we have two complex solutions and one rate solution, which is 2 divided by 3. If you want to check, you simply have n equals this is 2 divided by 3. N times n equals 8 divided by 27. This is 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. Z equals 8 divided by 27. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, this is 8 divided by 27 equals 8 divided by 27. So that satisfies the equation. So that is it.